Hi, Jamie here, also known as Standard American. My wife Kim and I own properties in the mountains of Northern California, where we plan on making a home and enjoying our retirement in the woods. It's crazy. The snow's going sideways. It's like a scene out of Hateful Eight out here. But it's beautiful. Wow, look at this crazy snow hanging off the roof. It is definitely cold and snowy out here, blizzardy. Pretty crazy. The power's out and we're trying to dig our way over to the generator. And you can see how deep it is. It's like, 3 feet deep where he's digging. This is a quad under here, somewhere under there. But this actual snow depth is about 3 feet. I don't know what we just came across, but
Gas can.
another gas can that's buried under the snow. Yeah, I'll pick you back up when we get closer and get my camera soaked. Oh, there's a generator in here. It's just buried in 3 feet of freaking snow. That's crazy. I mean, the snow's higher than Jake's waist right here. And he's still not to the ground yet. I'm going to put it away again and help a little more by standing here watching. Unbelievable. 3 poles and it started. I just need to get to the power cords to plug everybody in. Alright, let me put it away again, but that's the gist of the thing. 2:30 in the morning. Trying to get my power all figured out again. But this is what's going on my roof. Pretty crazy. Went from gloom and doom yesterday to this morning. Simply amazing. Beautiful.